Well, that needs to be changed. That's not good. Oh yeah. Definitely needs to get changed. 2 channels. Here. Down there. Remove. So you can check it out. This is also a 12. Don't have the deep socket, so I go like this. My apologies, guys. You have been deceived. This lower bolt, 14. Other little shit's a 10. The angle in here sucks. It sucks. So yeah, a little bit of a reach this time, governor. Gotta get in there. There's the thing. There's the other thing. It's also a 12. If I can get to it, we can have a good time. It wants to be difficult, sir, because it's a very tight space. Very tight squeeze indeed. Remember, kids, safety first, because I don't want to get shit in my eye, and I'm gonna get shit in my eye probably. I almost got shit in my eye because you can see my car's mad dirty. So, yes. Okay, Acura Integra in this order to put back the correct way. Alternator first, power steering. Whoops, sorry. Alternator, AC, then power steering. Okay, alternators first, AC compressor right there, power steering was the first one that you see. So, yeah. You see the alternator belt, I put it back in here. I'm going to make it tight again. Make Integras tight again. Finally got put the alternator belt back on. Slip the AC belt on. You know, just use this. Get it up in there. And then you already know how to take the power steering belt off because we did that already. Make sure it has a decent amount of play. Not too much though. Like, you know, a little bouncy action. That's cool. Again, if you don't know how to replace the compressor, because this belt should be the resolution to my no AC problems. If there's no AC, once I start it up, that means that my compressor is bad or it's empty or freon. But you guys will already know how to change the compressor if you watched my previous video. I'll leave a link so you can go ahead and click that and check it out. This motherfucker up in here. So for this part, it should be fairly easy to just, slide the belt around the part where it's supposed to go. And, of course, or the mount. And of course, you just might have to crank it a little bit. So I'm going to use the tensioner here to just kind of spin the wheel so I can get the belt around it. It wasn't until about this moment where I realized I fucked up, and the AC belt isn't supposed to go around the mount like with both sides of the belt, but it's taking a couple seconds to register around my head that only one part of the belt goes around the mount. The other part hangs under the bottom, so the mount will actually be in between both inner sides of the mount. All right, see, that's how it's supposed to go. Okay, same way as before, easy as pie. Use the pulley to finesse the belt around it. That way you aren't exerting excessive force trying to get it around it. So this should be super easy. Noticed that the previous camera angle wasn't the best, so I decided to just run through the AC part again for you guys. Alternator belt is there, AC, throw it on top, and just like I said, on the bottom here. Once you get that seated on there, nice and easy, then just, run back, spin the pulley, and then the belt will line up. All right, and for the bolt test, the belt test. No squealing, that's a good sound. Pay no attention to the revving because that's what my shit does. And just like that, now you guys know how to change all three belts in the Acura Integra, both the alternator, AC, and the power steering. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Always remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Woo.
and I'll see you next time.